Morning folks, Bobby Stein. Today is Tuesday, July 25th. It's 9:54 a.m. 87 degrees out. It's going to be a hot one today. Right now I'm coming into Benoit, Mississippi. And my objective today, I want to try to visit and film two places. Excuse me. The first is going to be Skene, Mississippi. And then from Skene, we'll come back to Highway 1. And I'm going to try to find what used to be Concordia, Mississippi, which was about 3 miles north of Gunnison, Mississippi. Several months ago, or a month ago, several months ago, after watching a lot of drone videos, I slowly became aware that because the videos I shoot using my drone are in the videos on my YouTube channel that's monetized, I realized that I would need to get a Part 107 license certificate, or it's called a certificate for flying a small unmanned aircraft. So anyway, I started studying for the test about 3 weeks ago. I started studying about 3 weeks ago. I signed up to take the test, and I took the test last Wednesday in Cleveland at the Commercial Aviation Department on the campus of Delta State. The test cost $175 to take. It wasn't cheap. And I wanted to be sure that I passed it the first time. So the test was 60 questions. Basically, it asked about rules and regulations for flying unmanned aircraft. It asked a lot of questions about the different type of airspace, which I had never heard of before. It asked a lot of questions about the weather. Anyway, I studied for 3 weeks. I self-studied, and I took the test last Wednesday, and I passed with a score of 85. And yesterday, I got my temporary certificate where I could fly my drone legally. So I'm legal now, folks. I used to come up here when I was a young man of about 19 or 20. I had some real good friends that lived up here. We're near Longshot, Mississippi. My friends are Tim and Kevin Mills. Their family was from Texas and owned a sawmill in Texas. And in the early 50s, they moved to the Mississippi Delta. And they were one of the first farmers to raise rice in the Mississippi Delta. Folks, this is Longshot, Mississippi. Okay, folks, I think we're in Skene, Mississippi. This was originally founded as a sawmill town. And the sawmill business didn't last that long, only a couple years. Founded in 1895. And I believe the name of the man, Skene, was a land commissioner for the Illinois Central Railroad. Then a man named L.H. Gaines bought a part of the land, and he built the first store and the first cotton gin. So we'll just drive around. Now if you go that way, that'll take us to Ball, Mississippi. If you go straight, that'll take us to Cleveland. And this way will take us back to Highway 1.